Optoma expands ProScene Series 4K UHD plus WQUXGA laser projectors with the ZK1000. Optoma USA has officially expanded its ProScene lineup with the launch of the powerful Optoma ProScene ZK1320, a next-generation professional laser projector designed for large venues, immersive installations, live events, museums, corporate spaces, and simulation environments. Delivering an impressive 13,500 lumens of brightness and ultra-sharp 4K UHD plus WQUXGA resolution. The new projector combines advanced imaging technology, flexible installation options, and enterprise-grade management tools in a surprisingly compact and lightweight chassis. 13,500 lumens of high-brightness 4K UHD plus projection. The Optoma ProScene ZK1320 features a 4,000 plus WQUXGA 3840 by 2400 resolution that delivers 9.22 million pixels for exceptionally sharp visuals and highly detailed imagery. Built for large-scale professional environments, the projector offers 13,500 ISO lumens and 11,500 ANSI lumens of brightness, making it ideal for auditoriums, conference halls, stage productions, digital signage, and immersive projection mapping. With a massive 4:1 contrast ratio and support for multiple aspect ratios including 16:10, 16:9, 21:9, LBX, and 4:3. The projector ensures vibrant visuals with enhanced clarity even in bright ambient lighting conditions. Advanced imaging technology for superior visual performance. Optoma integrates the latest T0.8-inch HEP-DLP single-chip technology into the ZK1320. The advanced DLP chipset uses a larger tilt angle and optimized micromirror, pitched to improve brightness efficiency, contrast performance, and color accuracy while producing sharper, more realistic images. Powered by Optoma's DuraCore laser light source, the projector offers long-lasting performance with up to 20,000 hours of operation in bright mode and up to 30,000 hours in eco mode. The sealed IP5X certified optical engine also improves durability and minimizes maintenance requirements for continuous 24/7 operation. Compact, lightweight design for flexible installation. Despite its powerful specifications, the ProScene ZK1320 weighs only 16.8 kilograms, 37 pounds, without a lens, making it significantly lighter and more compact than its predecessor, the ZK1050, according to Optoma. The new design is 49% lighter and 41% more compact, helping reduce installation complexity, shipping costs, and environmental impact. The projector supports full 360-degree orientation and includes extensive motorized lens shift capabilities with vertical adjustment up to plus or minus 120% and horizontal shift up to plus or minus 50%. Keystone correction is available both horizontally and vertically up to plus or minus 20 for easier setup in challenging environments. Front-facing snorkel UST lens enables concealed projection. One of the standout innovations is Optoma's optional front-facing snorkel ultra-short-throw used lens system. This zero-offset lens design allows the projector to remain fully concealed inside ceilings, walls, or custom furniture while still producing large immersive visuals. The concealed projection setup is especially useful for museums, retail installations, entertainment venues, and simulation experiences where maintaining a clean and distraction-free environment is critical. The UHD lens is sold separately. Extensive interchangeable lens options. The ProScene ZK1320 supports a wide range of interchangeable lenses to suit various installation scenarios. Available lenses include ultra-short throw, standard throw, and long throw configurations with throw ratios ranging from 0.34 up to 8.6. All lenses feature motorized zoom functionality and zero native offset for easier image alignment and professional installation flexibility. Seamless live event synchronization with ArtNet support. The ZK1320 is designed for professional live productions and stage environments with integrated ArtNet support. This allows seamless synchronization between projection visuals, lighting systems, and stage effects using Ethernet-based ArtNet DMX control. Lighting consoles can directly manage projection synchronization through the RJ45 network connection, helping create immersive and precisely coordinated visual experiences during concerts, theater productions, and corporate events. Remote management and smart control features. Optoma includes support for the Optoma Management Suite, OMS, available in both cloud and LAN versions. OMS provides real-time monitoring, remote diagnostics, device control, lens calibration, alert notifications, and fast configuration cloning for enterprise deployments. The Projector also supports numerous professional networking and automation standards, including Crestron Connected, V2, Crestron Ja Cloud PG-Link, Extron IP Link, Pro AMX Device Discovery HD, BASET 3.0 Telnet Web Control ArtNet DMX. These features make the ZK1320 highly suitable for enterprise AV environments and large-scale commercial installations. Optimized for immersive collaboration and projection mapping. Optoma's Visual Suite software provides advanced image blending, warping, masking, brightness adjustments, and color calibration tools for immersive installations and projection mapping applications. The Projector also supports Microsoft Teams front row layouts and ultra-wide 21:9 aspect ratios, enabling more engaging hybrid meeting experiences with large format collaborative displays. Connectivity and gaming features. Connectivity options on the ZK1320 include 2 XHDMI 2.1 inputs, 1x HDMI 2.1 output, 1x DisplayPort input, 1x HDBAS ETV 3.0 3D sync in, out, RJ45LA NRS232 USB power output. The Projector additionally supports full 3D playback and low latency gaming performance with an input lag as low as 4.5 milliseconds at 1080p 240 Hz when low latency mode is enabled. Sustainability-focused engineering. Optoma emphasizes sustainability with the new ProScene model. The chassis uses 50% post-consumer recycled materials, while the packaging is made using 98% recycled materials. The lighter chassis design also helps reduce transportation emissions and packaging waste. Optoma ProScene ZK1320 specifications. Display and imaging resolution 4K UHD plus WQUXGA 3840-2400. Brightness 13,500 ISO lumens, 11,500 ANSI lumens. Contrast ratio 4,000,000:1. Display technology T0.8-inch Hep DLP native aspect ratio 16:10. Refresh rate up to 240 Hz light source Duracore laser. Technology 20,000 hours, bright mode 30,000 hours, eco mode. Installation features motorized zoom lenses, vertical lens shift, plus or minus 120% horizontal lens shift, plus or minus 50% zero offset lens design. 360 orientation support. Connectivity HDMI 2.1 DisplayPort HD BAS ET 3.0 RJ45LA NRS2 32 USB power physical. Dimensions. Weight 16.8 kilograms, 37 pounds, without lens. Dimensions 535, 396 times 211.5 millimeters. Availability. The Optoma ProScene ZK1320 is now listed on the official Optoma ProScene ZK1320 product page. Lens options are sold separately, and pricing may vary depending on the selected lens configuration and regional availability.